This is Insta360 X4, and today I'll show how you can change the automatic power off value in this game. In the beginning, power on your device and swipe down from the topmost edge of the screen to launch the controls list. Then go to the second page, enter settings, scroll down just a little bit and look for the auto power off. Then enter this page and select what value you would like for it to be at, or what delay you would like for the automatic switch off to have, 3, 5 or 15 minutes, or you can set it to never, ensuring that your camera will not or will never automatically power itself off unless the battery is fully depleted, of course. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comments section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.